Hello friends, welcome to danbruvvers. இன்னைக்கு நாங்க வந்து ஒரு டிஃபரண்டான ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான என்விரான்மெண்ட்ல ரீட் பண்ண போறோம். என்னோட குட்டி பசங்க சிப்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சு ரெடியா இருக்காங்க. சோ நாங்க இந்த புக் அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். சோ இத ரீட் பண்ண போறோம். One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, black fish, blue fish, an old fish, new fish. This one has a little star. This one has a little car. Say what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red, some are blue, and some are old. And some are very, very bad, like red fish.
Yeah. Want to beat yellow.
Yeah. That one has a yellow hat. From there to here, and from here to there, funny things are everywhere. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my.
Oh my.
Oh, what a lot of funny things go by. Not one of them is like another. Don't ask why, go ask your mother.
Hey mother.
Your mother? I do not like my little bed. This is not good. This is not right. My feet stick out of bed all night. And when I pull them in, oh dear.